You are live. Hey! Happy New Year! Hey, everybody. What's going on? This is Tammy. I'm open today, the day after Christmas. I am open. I am doing fingerprinting. I am seeing clients. I am taking calls. I am making appointments. Make your appointment if you need fingerprinting or notary work. Another service that I've been working on for 2024 is drug collection. This is such a trip to me. Let me tell you why this is such a trip, because those of you who know me, those of you who don't, I have come so far in my life's journey when it comes to career, family, and my business. I am a certified government contractor now, brand new to the whole game. What can I say? My journey has taken me far. My journey has taken me so many different places. And I'm just reflecting on the way that the year has gone, and it has gone by so fast too. Like, I would have never guessed, I would have never thought in a million years that I would be having a, like, working for myself, having a small business. I'm doing well. I'm not balling yet, but it's coming. It's coming. It's just establishing my business and making a name for my business is all surreal, and it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work that I didn't expect. But yeah, it's fulfilling. So, what are you guys doing out there? How are you doing? My name is Tammy R. Stevens. I reside in Charleston, South Carolina. I'm originally from Detroit, Michigan. That is where my roots are from. I have a small notary, fingerprinting, and now drug collection business that I oversee. This year, my goal is to have employees to help me so that I can expand my services and my time and our overall name throughout the city of Charleston, South Carolina. Actually, it's bigger than that. I want it to be pretty much like um, nationwide. I'm not going to say global. It's nothing I can really do too much with global. However, the name of my business is Motary Notary Fingerprinting More. My hub is TRS Support Services, where we do fingerprinting, notary work, and drug collection. We do ink fingerprinting, live scan, real estate documents, legal documents, DOT drug collecting, breath alcohol testing. I am in the process of implementing the drug testing right now. So, yes. Okay. Let's see. Me going live and doing all of this stuff is brand new to me. And I'm learning how to broadcast. I'm learning how to get my business out there. This is cute. Let's just see. Tara and her family. Oh, how nice. Y'all got the same pajamas on. That's cute. This is so cute. So when you go live, how do people know that you're live? Oh, there I am. I'm live. You know what? I've really been having fun this holiday season. It's been very peaceful for me. and my loved ones. This holiday too, I mean, this is the very special part of it all. I've gotten engaged. I'm engaged now. There is hope for old people. There is hope for us older, more mature women these days that I've gotten engaged and I'm very proud of it and I'm very happy. And I feel like it's embarking on another part of my life. What this man has done in my life, he came in at the right time. God exactly knows what he's doing. He's really helped to bring out the more feminine part of me out. And not to say that I was not feminine. I've always been used to be a strong, independent black woman that says, I want a man, but I don't need a man. But we do. We need companionship. Whether if you need a man or if you're a woman wanting another woman, we all need companionship. And it makes every difference in the world in our lives. This is going to be part of my lunch. What is that, Tammy? This is apple, turmeric, celery, and ginger. I ate so good yesterday for Christmas that I know I need to clean myself out. But let me also tell you what this does. Oh, girl, don't get me started on talking about my health stuff. I love it. It helps to eliminate inflammation. Do you like my little tops? I bought a whole set of mason jar colorful tops instead of using those aluminum lids that get rusty. Got the plastic lids. I don't have no straws, do I? That's what I need to start carrying here in my drawer. I'll be having my little silverware, and I need my straws now. Yes, I'll be doing straws. So I have another appointment at 1:30. It is 12:57. I am just gonna kind of. So, did you guys all have a good Christmas?